All right, it's Tuesday. Yesterday, Monday, which was the 19th, we did not make any money. We didn't even trade that day because there was nothing for me to get in at. But as you can see, I was trading at work, so we're going to do a little voiceover, review what happened today. Today was very disappointing, very dumb, but we did make money, lousy $15 because I moved my stop. So here we go. Let's get into it real fast. So I put my limit order in, right, to get in for a long. Here we go. Okay, so boom, we got filled right here. Adjusted everything, and that was my target. I always take the outside highs. So if there's an inside high here and one of the candles break and make a new high, that is my target. So here we go. The EMA was flatlining. That's where I was kind of like, all right, what the fuck? This is not too good of a sign. But we're still up, shit, we're up a good amount. So skip through it, back to 350. So when I started seeing this, as you can see where the flat line is of the EMA, here, I move it. I feel a little bit safer now. If we get hit, we get hit. We're back into 375, almost $400 range, back in 550. And then it's still flatlining. EMA is still flatlining. That's just one thing that's sketching me out, is the EMA flatlining. I was just stuck in this chop for a fat minute. And so of course, we get hit. Now look at this shit. So what you just saw where I got stopped out, right? Stopped me out at the 50, literally right where it bounced off. And if I didn't move my stop, look what have fucking happened. You can see on the 15 range. Look what have happened. Absolutely monstrous long run right here. All right, Wednesday, short voiceover. Really all it was today was a quick trade. I broke one rule of my rules, was trade past 3 o'clock, because I usually don't like trading power hours. It's just not for me. Any other time I'll trade 100%. But there was a Fed meeting today too, FOMC, whatever it is. And I was waiting for all that BS to finish. And I usually try to get a trade in before that, but there was just no openings for me up until this point. And honestly thought we were going to have a good trade. It really set up really nice. And as you can see, I got in. I'll just roll it right now. Yeah, order filled. And we were up, all right, for like 2 seconds. And I'll just skip through it. Just instant reverse. That's pretty much what it was. Just instant reverse back up. So I'll see y'all Thursday. All right, it's Thursday. Market's about to open in 5 minutes. Let's make it a good day. Let's get it. All right, it's basically 3 o'clock. Nothing for me to trade today. I'm done. I cut it at 3. Our zones were getting respected, as you can see here, but there was just no entry for me on the 2000 tick chart. Nothing for me. I will see everyone tomorrow on Friday. Hopefully we can make some dough and come back for the week.
What's going on, everyone? Brand new day today, Friday. We just finished up. Took a loss today. Sucks. We're in a drawdown. It is what it is. It's part of the game. It's definitely taking a toll on my mental, but this is why I created this YouTube channel, is to document my whole journey. And let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to click play on my computer, my laptop, and I'm just going to skip through it, honestly. You see where I got in. I got in on this nice signal bar of the green candle, and then the fucking trade just, completely reversed on us. And that's just how it is, how it goes. We got stopped out really quick, full on fucking tanked. And that's literally it. So we're going to reevaluate. We're going to keep reviewing over the weekend, see what's good, see what's not. And I'll see everyone next week. I will show you the weekly statement for all you, so I'm not capping. And yeah, it is what it is, y'all. It is what it is, man. It's just how the market is. We're just absolutely getting fucked by the market. But that's it. I'll see y'all next week.